Good morning students, welcome to maths class. So students, today we'll continue with our chapter 4, integers. So today we will do exercise 4C. And the very first question is determine whether the sum is positive or negative or 0. So students, before doing this question, I have to explain you the sign rule which we will use in integers. So whenever you will see same sign means plus plus means both the signs are positive, your answer will be positive only. Okay. If you are having minus plus, answer will be minus, plus minus then 2 minus, and minus minus then your answer will be plus. Student, you can see that whenever we are having the same sign, we are having plus over there. Okay, and when we are having two different signs, suppose minus plus or plus minus, in that case we are using negative sign. Now students, I'll tell you how we will do the questions based on these sign. Like very first question is plus 4 plus 5. Here we are having both the plus signs. So as I told you, plus plus will always be plus, means positive. So 4 plus 5 will be 9 positive. Now minus or plus will be minus. But if you will see student, here number which is having minus sign is greater comparatively to the number having smaller, which is having positive sign. So minus plus minus. So we'll get the answer minus 1. Here plus sign is greater comparatively to the smaller sign, means plus 10 minus 7, you will see you will get the answer 3. Okay. Students, sometimes what will happen, student gets confused regarding minus plus or plus minus. Why? Because as I told you, whenever we will have this kind of situation, we will do subtraction only, but we will take the sign of that number which is bigger. Okay, like as I told you, like 20 minus ka 6. Now plus minus situation is here, we will do minus, but we will take the sign of that number which is greater. Okay, so here 20 is positive and 6 is negative, and which one is greater? 20 is greater, so we will take the sign of positive, means answer will be 14. But if it is minus 20 plus 6, then the same situation, minus plus, we will do subtraction, but here sign will be minus 14. Why? Because here minus digit is greater comparatively to the positive digit. Is it okay with you? Similarly, minus minus will be plus. So minus 2, minus 3. So minus minus will be plus. And again the same case, sign will be minus. Okay. Now we will start doing the exercise. The very first question is determine whether the sum is positive or negative or 0. The very first question is 20 plus 16. So both are positive, answer will be positive. Next question is minus ka 21 and then plus minus ka 9. Again the same thing, both are negative, so answer will be minus minus. Addition we will do, but the sign will be of minus, so negative. Now the third one is 70 plus minus ka 22. Again, if we will see plus minus situation, but which one is greater? Positive one is greater, so answer will be also in positive only. So like this you will do the remaining question. Now we will do the next question. Write the addition expression represented by the number line. So if you will see in your book, you will get that number line, and you have to show the addition expressions represented by the number line. So if you will see this number line, you will see from center point 0, you will see 5, and then they move 3 steps forward to 8. It means it's addition, so 5 plus C will be your answer. Simple. You can see this. Now the second one is, if you will see 0, say they'll move towards right hand side, which is 4, and then they move backward how many steps? 7 steps. So 4 plus minus ka 7. Got it? Like this you will do the remaining question. Now third question is using the number line write the following integers. So it was already explained by me in your previous videos. 5 more than 2, as I told you, whenever the word more will come, it means you are talking about the addition, and you will move forward towards the right hand side. Again 5 more than 2, so 2 say we will move how many step forward? Towards right, in towards which side? Towards the right hand side. 5 steps we will move forward. 8 less than 3, as I told you, less means subtraction. In this case you will move towards the left hand side. So 3, this is your 3. How many steps you will move backward? 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay student. Now your fourth question. Use a number line to find the following sum. You have to use the number line to find the following sum. 5 plus 4. Again from 0 initial point you will move towards 5, and then you will move 4 steps ahead to 4. And 5 plus 4 is 9. You will get the answer 9 only. Like minus 3 plus 11. So from 0 first you will come to minus 3, and then you will move how many step forward? 11 step forward. You will get the answer 8. Okay. Now if you will see minus 2 plus 7 minus 3. So from initial position means from 0 you will move towards minus 2, then plus 7, and then again you will come 3 step backward to minus 3. So your answer will be 2. Okay. So this is